Hello guys, today this is my C++ program. My question is develop a C++ program which accepts amount as integer and display the total number of nodes, that is rupees 500, rupees 100, rupees 50, rupees 20, rupees 10, rupees 5 and rupees 1. Now I have also been given a for example when your user enter a number 575, the result would be like 500, 100, 50, 20, 10 and 5. This is a sample program which is given for me in order to get a better understanding what the output would be like. And I've created source code in order to develop the C++ program. As you all know, the basic header file hash include IO stream is the basic header file for C++. And next the namespace std is which is used to in order to reduce my work while giving the standard input and output statements. The standard input and output statements are the cout and cin statements. Further, the end amount rupees 500, rupees 100, rupees 50, rupees 20, rupees 10, rupees 5, and rupee 1 are the variables which I have initialized. Further, rupees 500 equal to amount by 500. By this, I get the number of 500 rupee notes if there is any. Further, I modular divided the amount by 500, by which I get the remainder. The remained amount is the remained amount goes into this place where the amount is treated, and the amount is further divided by 100 in order to get the number of 100 rupee notes, and further the amount is modular divided by 100, by which I get a remainder uh, which is uh, which takes the place of this amount, and this amount is divided by 50, and I get the number of 50 rupee notes which is present, and the amount is further modularly divided by 50, which gives the remainder. The amount which is acquired is further divided by 20, and the 20 and I get the number of 20 rupee notes over here, and I divide it modularly by 20, and I get the remainder, which becomes my amount for the in order to calculate the 10 rupee notes. And dividing it by 10, I get the number of 10 rupee notes, and modularly dividing it, I get the remainder for 5 rupee notes, and by dividing with 5, I get the number of 5 rupee notes, and with modularly dividing, I get the remainder. The remaining amount is further taken as rupee 1, and I give the cout statement rupees 500. Rupees 500 is in order to display the number of 500 rupee notes. The slash in statement which I have given here is in order to get the notes in the amount of notes in separate directions, and in order to get, I give this statement cout for each and every value which I have assigned on the top, that is 500, 100, 50, 20, 10, 5 and 1. So hereby I conclude that um, in order to run this program, I have given the written statement, and now I'm going to build and run this program. I have got a command as enter the amount, and now I'm going to give an amount like 1175, which gives me the desired output where I get two 500 rupee notes, two 500 rupee notes, 100, 150, 120 and 15. As I have said before, you can have a look at it. Here I assigned n to be 117, amount to be 1175. Dividing it by 2, I get a 1000, and when I do the same modular division, it becomes 175 is the remainder, and here the amount turns to be 175, and while dividing it with, I get 100 rupee note, and 75 will be my amount. Modularly again 75 will be the amount, divided by 50, I get 150 rupee note, and modularly dividing 75 with 50, I get 25, and here my amount becomes 25. Dividing 25 by 20, I get it as one note, and 5 will be my amount for here. So there is no 10 rupee note, and there is only one 5 rupee note. This ends my process. And not only for this, I can solve this for any number. So um, here I run with another amount which is 575, which is given in the example, and you can see over here it is rupees 500, rupees 50, rupees 20, and rupees 5. As I have shown in the question, it is 500, 50, 20, and 5. And over here, I get again rupees 500, 50, 20, and 5. So hereby I say that my program has been completed, and here ends my recording. Hope you guys like it. Thank you.